Oh my god, the power went out again. I really hate when this actually happens. Okay, so OBS is working. The stream is also working. I don't know what actually happened, but the internet went out for some reason, and I didn't know what to do. Actually, it wasn't the internet. It was actually my power. The power went out. My computer got shut down, but thankfully I have the, what do you call it? I have the Firefox backup extension or something like that, so that something happens, like the power goes out or something like that, I can actually recover. So I really hate when this happens. So the power went out again, and let's continue where I left out on the last stream. The power just came 2 minutes ago, and I started the stream again, and I hope things don't go wrong this time. So the base class, I'm just gonna stop talking and just wait for people to join, because I had 2 viewers, and since the stream stopped, like literally one of my viewers went away. So when your power actually goes out, I mean, I don't have anything to say. It really pisses me off when my power goes out. Whenever, like, I'm in a call with someone or I'm streaming, the power literally goes out in my face, and I just hate it. Literally. Okay, so let's continue where I left out. I was just literally making the modified channel function for the rest of your class, or you can also call it a method. Now let's implement this. We have the base URL. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about right now, you guys should check out the last stream. It's on my YouTube, and just check it out. So we have the patch function over here, and let's just actually check the channels/channel ID, and this is the endpoint for getting a channel. So these 2 endpoints are the same but different request protocols. That means I have this in my endpoint, so fetch channel, yeah, it's over here, and let's do modify channel, fetch channel dot format. This should be the channel ID. Yeah, so I have this, and the authorization is working right now. I have the content type, everything's working, params is working. Let's go to the helpers, because I have the patch request helpers. It's returning me the JSON data, and I just want to print the data just for now. Okay, for now I'm gonna be testing it, and I want to actually test the resources, no, the spam channel. So let's copy its ID, and let's do modify channel its ID. So what perms does this have? We have, I would like to give it admin perms, because so that it can use it. Now let's run this. Params, okay, so it's missing the params argument. Let's do this. So what are the things that we can change? We can change the name. Let's do name equals to modified spam. How about that? Let's run it. Returns me none. Where? Why isn't it printing out the data? It should print out the data whenever I wanted it to. Modify channel, REST implementation. Oh, my bad. My bad over here, sorry. Modify me. What is its name right now? Okay, so nothing happened. Everything's good. Modify channel. This should have the snowflake. I misspelled it. Let's run this. Missing value. What? Return r.json. Let's print r.text. Print r.text. content. Let's print this, and it isn't actually returning me anything. Oh, we have the post request, sorry. So you have to actually debug it a lot. Hey, we got a new viewer in the stream. What is it giving me? Giving me access denied. 4.com Cloudflare to restrict access my IP. Wait, what? Let me run Postman and let's see what actually happens. I need to run Postman and actually check if something is going wrong or not. Access is denied. And I actually run this. What the hell? It's doing the same thing over and over again. Can I actually go to what happened? This website is a security service to protect itself from online attacks. So Cloudflare is thinking that I'm actually doing an attack. Wow. Attaboy, Cloudflare. Attaboy. So the channel ID which I want is the channel ID. This a spam. Let's just copy this. Oh, put this over here. Postman. Want a patch request. Body. I want JSON. And I want the name to be modified. Bam. How about that? Okay, and we don't have anything for authorization, so let me put the authorization header, and I'm gonna be coming back after I put the authorization header. Okay, I'm back. Let's make the request. Unauthorized. What's the issue? Don't I have the token type? I'm gonna be back again because I can't show you guys the token. Yeah, okay, I'm back and I got this. The channel name should be modified spam right now. Yeah, it's working. Okay, yeah. So I hope you guys don't have epilepsy, or else you guys may have issues. So let's make the patch request and check if it's working or not. I still don't get what headers it was sending. Let me actually check Postman and check the headers. Yeah, okay, I'm back, and what are the headers? The headers have the runtime accept, they have connection keep alive. So let's do accept. Let's copy this and go to helpers.py, and we have the headers over here. Why don't we go to query.py and then modify the headers? Content type accept. Can we run Zenora again? It still thinks that this is spam, so yeah. Discord REST API. Cloudflare not working. Yeah, let me just search. What do you call it? Google? Cloudflare. Cloudflare, yeah. Cloudflare blocking API request. Making to voice servers. Yeah, we have 1K guild bot and 15 connections from the choose. Okay, so 5% of the time. Yeah, let's actually check if it's working or not. I want to actually run it again. Why is this an issue? Let me actually zoom in with the terminal. I want to actually copy this whole HTML file. Go to my browser. Press Ctrl Shift I. And edit as HTML. I want to actually see what's happening over here. Yeah. But yeah, so this is the HTML. Yeah, so this is the error. Access denied. What happened? This website using security service to protect itself from online attacks. I should actually check what the endpoint is basically right now. Let's just print the endpoint to see if it's working or not. What's the endpoint? API. So we have API over here, channels slash, this is the channels, discord.com slash API slash v6 slash channel slash the ID. And is it similar to the ones? Let's actually compare these two. If I copy this, no, not this. If I actually copy this link, Control C, paste it, we still have the same thing. Then why is it not working? Can I run other commands? Can I do get current user? Can I do this? This is working perfectly fine. Then why isn't this working? Can I actually try this channel, this link from Postman and see if this works? Can I actually do this? Yeah, this should work. Oh, sorry, my bad. I didn't modify it. Yeah. Now the same thing is happening right now. How do you fix it? Python API request logged by Cloudflare. Okay, so Python requests triggers Cloudflare's security while urlib does not. Why is this happening? I'll narrow down your solution. When it request it uses there seems to work inconsistencies between regular. Okay, solution. I can make a new session over here. How about that? Let's go to the patch request. Make s equals to session. Oh, sorry about that. Let's do this. S equals to session. And let's do s.patch. And from request, I think I should import session. Yeah, from requests, import session. I believe this should be working. S.patch. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna cry. Print S. If it's printing S, that means the session is working. Let me drink a bit of water. Okay, so why is it not working? It's creating a session, a new session. For some reason it's not working. I think I can use requests.patch. Oh, bad. Requests.patch. Channel.id. Is it formatting it? I'm still looking at what's happening right now. Lib patch. URL lib. Okay, I guess I can use this. Real request. For some reason, the patch request is not working. Get URL. I have a lot of things over here. Get proxies. Let's do lib patch request. How do I make lib patch request? Monkey patching. What the hell is monkey patching? I don't know. Request get method. Can I try this? Import urllib3. I should actually get this working. urllib3. Is it working? It isn't actually showing any urllib errors. That means I'm good actually. Here. Let me. Why did I import urllib over here? My bad. Oh yeah, I should. No, I shouldn't be importing urllib over here. I actually forgot what I was doing. Import urllib3. urllib3. It's working. Not showing any errors. Then request equals to urllib3.request. This should be the URL. The request.get method should be a lambda patch. Get method lambda patch, and R is going to be urllib.open. URL open. You can do this. R is to headers equals to headers, and JSON equals to params. Will this work? I hope so. urllib has no attribute requests. What? urllib3 has no attribute request. I guess I need to debug it. Lib has no attribute request. urllib. Let's run this again. Module object is not callable. Oh, sorry. Do this. Import urllib. urllib. URL open. urllib patch request search, the same thing again. This is using urllib2. Is it okay if I use urllib instead of urllib3? I should be able to use this. Nah. This doesn't have this. Let's do Control Z and forget about all the changes. Should be working fine. But this is a stupid issue. Cloudflare blocking API. Cloudflare blocking API request. Why is that? Right, Okay, I can do something like this. I'm actually do modify channel. I can remove the user agent. Okay, yes. The thing that I needed to do was just remove the user agent, and then it was actually working perfectly. Okay, there weren't actually any issues. Return r.json, and this is the response. I want to convert the response to an object, so what I can do is modify channel, and it should return raise for status and helpers, and r.raise for status. I should actually copy this to everywhere, put it in all the requests, the fetch, everything. Now let's return the data. Now let's go to the REST implementation. We have the response, and now let's do model factory.parse channel. Let's print out user. Oh, sorry, this is supposed to be channel. Channel. Now let's do oof. Let's call this channel oof. If we get this, yes, this is a guild text channel object with the channel name oof, and the position is supposed to be 12. Wow, it's real loud outside. I don't know what's happening. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. Okay, yeah, the issue was, the problem was that it was really loud outside, and for some reason my microphone was acting really weird. Sorry about that. Yeah, so it's actually successful. It's working correctly. Let me actually remove the endpoint. Okay, why do we have this channel over here? Let's do base URL. Let's just do this. Base URL plus fetch channel. This should be working. Helpers. Yeah, it's doing this same thing. Let's run it again. Yeah, it's returning me. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry about that. Let's do a oof channel. Right now it's oof, but let's do oof channel. Now let's clear it, run it. Yeah, we got this. Guild text channel ID is 754, like whatever the ID name is. Oof channel position is 12, is NSFW false, permission overrides category, and the category ID, which means the parent ID, guild ID, that means the server ID, topic equals none, last message ID, this is the last one, and rate limit per user, whatever. Now if we check over here, see this. Oh, okay, you guys may have epilepsy, whatever. So the oof channel, this is now called oof channel, and before it was spam, and this is also oof channel over here. And right now if I go to place and if I call it spam, now if I modify it, oh, okay, two request.exceptions HTTP error, too many requests for URL. Okay, makes sense. I knew this was gonna happen. Okay, at one point I knew this was gonna happen. Too many requests for this URL. Yeah, I guess requests is a bit tired. So that's the reason I used r.raise for status, and I'm a bit tired. How long has the stream been going? It's been going for about 24 minutes. Okay, 24 minutes, not a big problem. If I try this request again, yeah, same issue. I guess I need to actually change it from the spam. Yeah, this uses the WebSocket API, so it's actually not a big problem. Now, what are the other things that we can actually use? We have the type. Can we modify the type? Yeah, we can actually modify the type to convert the channel to either a text channel or a voice channel, something like that. So there are three types of channels, right? 5, 6, whatever. Okay, so guild text, let's convert it to guild voice. That means we're gonna be using type 2. let's convert to name spam, and type is going to be 2. This is supposed to be an integer. Oh, my bad. Yeah, if we do the request, oh my god, are you kidding me? Yeah, so OBS is actually doing a good job. I sometimes like get really scared if OBS is working or not. So this is actually working perfectly, the modify channel, but I need to actually wait for a bit so to check if it's working or not. Yeah, requests is actually really mad right now. I think I should remove the pi cache. Let me delete the pi cache folder. Can I do requests right now? Oh, stupid pi cache. I mean, sorry, stupid request. Okay, so I got the modified channel working right now. I have to test it later. But delete channel or the closed channel, yeah, this should be working. The only thing I need to do is, yeah, it's basically the same, nothing much. I can just do delete channel. Let me go to the REST API implementation. A modified channel, let's do delete channel. Def delete channel. Self. No, Flake. Also, I guess we should give the channel object a few methods. Let's give the guild text channel a method. Def modify, and let's do self args, and this should return me typing.any. Now allows to modify this channel, and this should returns it cannot actually return anything. I'm going to check the documentation. Yeah, let's go get channel and let's print it. So we have get channel. Let's actually print this. I'm sorry about that. For this over here, we also need parameters, and this should be the args, which is, oh sorry, args, and let's go to the, oh, why is it the modified channel? Yeah, the modified channel args, sorry about that. I need to actually copy this part. I really don't know what's actually happening in my brain right now. It's not working very well. Copy this and paste it over here. Modify channel. I was in the channels.py file. Args. Let's go to implementation. Yeah, and paste it over here in the channel object. Parameters. Bam. I've actually print this. Oh, requests is still a bit pissed off at me. Okay, so args, and yeah, what's this we can do is, so this actually takes the app object and which is basically the REST API implementation. So let's do self.app channel equals to self.app.modify channel args. What does it take for args? Let's do args, and what are the IDs? Oh, sorry about that. The Snowflake ID is going to be self.id, which is this channel's ID, which is an integer, and this should return the channel. channel. If I get a channel from Discord, if I get channel over here, as then get channel. Okay, it's working. Now if I actually modify channel, okay, modified channel equals to channel dot modify, because the channel object has a modify method, and the args are going to be name, going to be, sorry, let's convert the type. How about that? Type is supposed to be 2. If we give it the type 2, it's gonna be converted into a voice channel. Now let's do modified channel. I haven't actually tried this, but this should work. Oh, my bad. Yeah, because requests is really pissed off because I use this channel quite a long time, but it's a proof that the thing is actually working. The channel object can use the self.app.thingy to actually modify itself, and it may return any of these objects, because if you change the type, then it's going to be a voice channel, and then in that case it's going to return you the voice channel. So there's no guarantee on what type it's going to be returning. It's dependent on the user. That's why I put all these 3 types, because these 3 are the types of channel that Zenora supports right now, and this is like a really new project. Oh, sorry about that, my token got leaked. Let me regenerate it quickly. For some reason I actually leaked my token. Okay, I'm back. I've actually regenerated my token. Working right now. I guess I should actually run the bot. Ah, shoot. Request is still actually mad at me. Huh. Don't be mad, requests. I love you. You're actually a really good module. Whatever, so we actually have this ready, the modified channel. Now we need to work on the delete and close channel, and this won't be much of a work, guess. And do def. Oh, my bad. This isn't the place to do it. Let's close this. Channels. Can actually do. Oh, sorry. We can go to the rest file. Def delete channel. It should send a delete request without arguments. I guess it should have been. What does it return? It returns a channel object on success, but if you delete the channel, it shouldn't return anything. Okay, so I'm a bit confused over here. I need to actually test out what it is. Okay, so delete channel, typing .any .any, yeah, delete text channel, delete. Now let's do fonts.delete. Sorry if my voice is a bit low. Can you actually hear me? Yeah, I guess. Let me actually take my mic. Sorry about the noise. Yeah, I guess you guys can hear me properly. Query.delete channels. I should do delete channel. Factory.parse channel. I guess that would be enough. Now I can go to the query.py. Oh, I forgot. I need to actually put this in the base class because I'm using ABC, which is abstract base classes. I should actually put this Wow. This is very... What the hell? 1, 2, 3, 4. Paste this over here. Let's do add abc.abstract method. Put it over here. Bam. So the abstract method is working. Let's go to the implementation. Do delete channel. Def delete channel. Oh, let me turn on the light. It's getting really dark. So let me and turn on the light. Wow. I can see everything. It feels so good. My eyes. Okay, yeah. Oh, let me wear my headphones again. Oh, sorry, I'm just coding. Why do I wear headphones? Okay, so self, and this would use the channel ID. How long have I been streaming for? 35 minutes. Not a big problem. 36 minutes. Exactly correct. Let's actually do this. Delete guild channel. Let's save this. Just copy this and put it in the base file. Add abc.abstract method, and this should be the interface. Okay, we got that right, and now let's get started working on it. Copy the exact same thing. This time, we want to use the delete request, because that's awesome. Yeah, we need to actually send the delete request. Why should I use delete? Yeah, content type, application JSON. I really don't know about that. But this time, oh, I'm out. Sorry, where was I? Forgot. I was over here, yeah. Prairie implementation, delete channel. Let's delete the channel.id. Now let's try to delete the what do you call it? Bot commands channel. Let's just try to use Zenora and just delete. Let's do api.delete channel. Let's copy this and then let's just run it. Okay. Okay, I guess I need to check something actually. I don't have the bot commands channel. Should I actually create one? Yeah, because I actually deleted it. Bot commands. Oh, I'm in the moderation channel. Okay. Cool, let's just copy this ID. Paste it over here. It's supposed to be the same thing, and let's actually print. What does it actually do? The helpers. It uses the error checker to delete print r.json, right? Let's run it. Oh, finds error not found for URL. What am I been using? Oh, sorry. Yes. The get channel is giving me the issue. Find not found for URL. Isn't it saving? Okay, yeah, it is working. But what are the delete methods I have? I guess I have a few delete methods. Create DMS. Leave guild. Return response. Leave guild. Data should which dot status code. Data dot status code. Let's do requests data status code. Requests status code. Oh, sorry, I need to actually use this. Python requests response dot status. Okay, so we have the response dot status code for leave guild. What I can do over here is that patch return r.json, I guess. No, let's just do return r. Yes, we can do return r. Implementation will actually check the r.status code. It's gonna be returning the r.status code. If I have delete channel and return r.json, helpers.py, r.json is working. Bot commands channel again. Copy the ID. It should be returning the, what do you call it? It should be returning the data.channel. So rest. Let's go to the delete channel. And the delete channel should be implementing this. Let's paste the ID. I have to say multiple times. None type int argument must be not none type. Yeah, but why? I guess I need to actually print it. I guess I don't want it to return anything. What about that? It should actually return none. In that sense, I don't have to return anything. So if that actually works, I can make the bot commands channel again. Be the ID over here. Yeah, so I actually don't want it to return anything. Yeah, it's returning none. That's actually okay. Yes, so let's go to channels object again. Be this. We need to put it in the voice channel too, so that we can actually modify it. Now let's do def delete self and typing.any. This is going to be returning typing.any. Delete channels. Delete this channel. Let's do self.app.delete channel. Self.app. Instead of doing this, can't we just copy this line, paste it over here? Self.delete channel. Delete channel, and let's just remove the arcs. Copy this, do the same thing. Copy this part. And paste the same part over here. Yep, this is working. Should be working. This should be working actually. Copy the ID. Where am I? Get channel. Let's do channel. Okay, so we'll be printing the channel and then do print channel dot delete, because we're actually deleting the channel. None type. Oh yeah, the channel doesn't exist. My bad. Channel dot delete. Print channel. It's already deleted. Print channel. Oh yeah, because I don't have any message over there. Hello. Now if I actually print it, yeah, so it's printing Gittle text channel over here. Okay, so the channel is actually working, and then after I delete it, it's actually returning me none, because there's actually nothing over here. This actually makes really good sense. int must be a string. Turn. Okay, I can actually do this. If self.data last message ID is not none, else none. How about that? So that if we actually delete this page, just delete this channel, make a new channel, bot commands, copy this, go to the test zen. Oh, sorry. My keyboard is really funky for some reason. Okay, so it doesn't have a last message channel ID, so that the last message ID is none. Position, okay, we have is NSFW, so the only thing that we don't have is last message ID. Also, one thing we can do is go to the category ID and then do ID. Yeah. Parent ID. Copy this. Go to this place over here. Yep. And actually convert it to integers. Oh, sorry. Visual Studio Code wasn't responding for some reason. I don't know why. Make it an integer again. Channel doesn't exist. Oh yeah. Wait, what? Is the channel even deleting? Channel.delete. I actually don't know if the channel is deleting or not. Okay, let me check the live chat. Okay, so nobody's in the chat. That's I don't know if it's good or bad. I don't know that. Finding references. Okay, so let's go to the channel object. So if the channel doesn't delete, self app delete channel. Wow, why don't I even have anything over here? Sorry about that. And none. My bad. So the channel is deleting 1 second and now it's not deleting anything. Yeah, so it's returning the channel right now, but then it's actually not over here because it's deleted. Now let me make bot command. Yeah, so it's actually working perfectly, and I guess I've been streaming for a while because I've done 2 streams. One was part 1, the other was part 2, because I was actually just working, just doing the stream, and then the power actually went out for some reason. I literally got pissed off. Whatever, sorry about that. So I guess this is it. I've worked on it for a while. I've showed you guys how it works. I've also implemented a few things, and the stream isn't going for a while, so I also have to go now. I'm very tired. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to like the stream and subscribe to my channel. Also share it with your friends who are interested in Python and Zenora. Also, if you guys want to use Zenora yourselves in your projects, you can use it in OAuth. Also tons of other things, but you can't make bots with it. It's REST API wrapper, not WSS API. So thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in the next